And the IFTA goes to Dearbhla Walsh for the silence.
Wow, this is genuinely unexpected. And the shoes I still have to credit. This means so much. Thank you to IFTA, to the Academy and to my peers. To be recognised by your own colleagues and people you respect and have grown up in the industry, I have to genuinely say, means a huge amount. So thank you very, very much. I'd like to thank Company Pictures, who gave me a start in life, also to Element Pictures. I would like to thank Eleanor Green, my producer, who is the woman who was convinced to move the production to Dublin and shoot it for Bristol. And I've been very proud that not one person in England has ever recognised it as not being Bristol. I would like to thank my fabulous cast and crew, Dearbhla Kieran, who can't be here tonight, but wonderful Owen for the look, Susie, Carl, all the boys in Screen Scene, and so many more. Thank you, guys. It was such an honour to work with you all here. And, of course, to my wonderful partner who tolerated me. And finally, I'd just like to dedicate this to a very good friend of mine, to a woman who I started life with as her runner, who looked after me all through my career and who has supported me, to Anita Notaro. Just to say, Anita, I love you and thank you for everything.